If you've been on social media lately, you've probably seen ads talking about a secret gelatin recipe, a 6-second trick, or a pink gelatin method that supposedly melts fat fast. These ads often lead to a long video, and by the end of it, the solution they push is a supplement called Lipoless. So today, let's calmly break down what Lipoless really is, how it's being promoted, and what people should know before believing the hype. First, what exactly is Lipoless? Lipoless is a dietary supplement sold in capsule form. It's marketed as a natural weight loss product that claims to help burn fat, boost metabolism, and reduce stubborn body weight. The product is positioned as an easy, at-home option, often promoted as something that works without strict dieting or intense exercise. The sales pages also highlight plant-based ingredients, big discounts, and money-back guarantees to make the offer feel safer. Now let's talk about how people are discovering Lipoless. Most people don't find Lipoless by searching for it directly. Instead, they come across ads about a gelatin weight loss recipe. These ads make bold claims like losing weight faster than modern medical treatments, fixing hormone-related weight gain, or helping women over 35 drop fat without changing their lifestyle. They also suggest that celebrities and well-known doctors are using this method, but that the truth is being hidden. That's where the first concern starts. These videos are designed to hook viewers emotionally. They often tell dramatic stories, promise big results in days or weeks, and create urgency by saying the information could disappear at any time. But when viewers wait for the actual recipe, it usually never comes. Instead, they're told the real solution is Lipoless. This brings us to the claims themselves. One major issue many people point out is how exaggerated the promises sound. Claims about rapid, dramatic weight loss, looking like you had surgery, or completely reactivating metabolism are extremely strong statements. For most people, real and lasting weight changes usually involve multiple factors, like nutrition, movement, sleep, stress, and sometimes medical guidance. Expecting one supplement to do everything on its own sets unrealistic expectations. Another important point is ingredient transparency. Lipoless uses the term proprietary blend, which means the exact amounts of each ingredient are not clearly listed. While ingredients may sound beneficial on paper, the actual dosage matters a lot. Without clear amounts, it's hard for consumers to judge whether the formula matches what's been studied or discussed in research. Now let's address the biggest source of confusion. Many ads strongly imply that Dr. Jennifer Ashton and even celebrities like Kelly Clarkson are connected to these gelatin recipes or products like Lipoless. However, Dr. Jennifer Ashton has publicly stated on her verified platforms that she does not endorse these products and has no connection to them. She has warned viewers about AI-generated ads using her name and image without permission. This is important because when a product relies on borrowed credibility instead of clear evidence, trust becomes an issue. What are users saying? Looking at comments across social platforms, many users say they almost bought Lipoless, but hesitated because something felt off. Others admit they purchased after watching the long videos, only to feel disappointed later. Some mention problems with orders, refunds, or receiving fewer bottles than expected. A common theme is confusion and frustration, especially from people who were genuinely hoping for help. That doesn't mean every single person will have the same experience, but it does show a pattern of concern worth paying attention to. So, is Lipoless a miracle weight loss solution? Based on how it's marketed, the exaggerated promises, the lack of clear ingredient dosing, and the misleading use of familiar faces, Lipoless should be approached very carefully. Supplements are not magic fixes, and weight loss does not happen overnight from a single product. If you're considering something like Lipoless, it's always better to slow down, read beyond the sales page, and talk to a qualified healthcare professional who understands your personal health situation. At the end of the day, if an ad promises dramatic results with zero effort and says everyone else is lying to you, that's your signal to pause. Real progress is usually slower, less flashy, and based on consistent habits, not secret tricks. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for honest reviews, and share this with someone who might be seeing these ads.